Your bank made $35 off you last month. You didn't see it. They didn't tell you. But they took it. And here's the sick part. They designed it that way. There's a specific number in your bank account that makes you worthless to them, not as a person, as a profit center. That number is $20,000. Today, I'm showing you exactly why this number changes everything, how banks lose money the second you cross this threshold, and the 5 ways they've been extracting cash from you this entire time. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact roadmap to make your bank hate you. Let's go. Let me paint you a picture. You're doing math in your head. Constantly. Can I afford gas and groceries this week? If I pay this bill now, does the other one bounce? How many days until Friday? This is your internal monologue every single day. And then your car makes a noise. Not just any noise, that noise, the expensive noise. Your stomach drops because you know what's coming. $800 repair bill =, full crisis mode. You're not living, you're surviving. And here's the really messed up part. 60% of Americans are doing this exact dance right now. One bad month from credit card debt. One job loss from a total disaster. One unlucky break from a spiral that takes years to crawl out of. But nobody talks about the threshold, the specific number where this chaos just stops. Where emergencies become annoying instead of catastrophic. Where you finally get room to breathe. That number is $20,000. Not some fantasy retirement number. Just 20 grand in a savings account, and almost everything about your financial life transforms overnight. Let me show you why. So why 20,000? Because it's roughly 4 to 6 months of expenses for most people. That's a real emergency fund. Not the cute little $1,000 starter fund everyone on the internet tells you to build. A real one? With $20,000, you can handle almost any single emergency without touching a credit card. Car breaks down. Handled. Job loss? You've got months to find something better, not days. Medical surprise? Stressful, sure. But not financially damaging. And here's what you don't know about crossing this line. That low-level anxiety that's been humming in your brain since you were 19, it finally shuts up. You can actually sleep at night. You check your bank account 17 times a day. But it gets really interesting. The second you hit $20,000, you become unprofitable to your bank. And they absolutely hate that. Because their entire business model is built on keeping you below this number. They have 5 specific ways they extract money from broke people. And every single one of them stops working once you cross 20 grand. Let me show you how they've been bleeding you dry. Profit source 1, overdraft fees. Banks made $7.7 billion in overdraft fees last year. Billion. With a B, your account dips $5 below zero. They hit you with a $35 fee. You just paid $35 to be broke. And if 3 payments try to clear while you're negative, 3 fees, $105 in a single day. But with $20,000 in savings, you never overdraft, ever. That buffer means every payment clears, 0 fees. The bank makes nothing from you. They hate that. Profit source 2, desperation products. When you're broke and need cash fast, your options are a nightmare. Payday loans at 400% interest. Title loans that can literally take your car. Credit cards at 29% APR. Banks love desperate people. Desperate people don't negotiate. They don't shop around. They just need cash now, and they'll pay whatever it costs. But with $20,000, need 2 grand for an emergency? You just transfer it from savings. No loan, no interest, no fees, no profit for anyone. They really hate that. Profit source 3, credit card interest. The average American with credit card debt pays over $1,000 a year in interest. That's $1,000 for nothing. People below the $20,000 line can't pay their statement in full. They carry balances. They pay minimums and watch interest pile up. But when you have $20,000, you pay in full every month. You use their card, collect their rewards, and pay 0 interest. The credit card industry actually has a name for people like you. They call you a deadbeat. Seriously, that's the actual industry term, because you're not profitable. Profit source 4, account fees. Most banks charge $12 to $15 a month just to have a checking account. Unless you maintain a minimum balance, usually $1,500 to $5,000. People living paycheck to paycheck can't maintain those minimums. Money comes in, goes right back out. So they pay $150 a year just to store their money. With $20,000, you easily clear any minimum balance requirement. No monthly fees. Another revenue stream gone. Profit source 5, emotional decisions. This one's sneaky. When you're financially stressed, you make terrible decisions. You impulse buy for the dopamine hit. You take bad deals because you don't have time to shop. You say yes to high-interest financing because you need it now. Stressed people are profitable people. They're easier to upsell, easier to pressure, easier to squeeze. But with $20,000, you make decisions calmly. You walk away from bad deals. You wait for sales. You can say no. That cushion doesn't just protect you from emergencies. It protects you from your own panic. Here's the real transformation that happens at $20,000. Below that number, you're operating from scarcity brain. Every decision is about survival. Can I afford this? What if something goes wrong? I'd better not risk it. Scarcity brain is exhausting. It's constantly running calculations. Always worried. Never thinking long-term because you're too busy putting out fires. Above $20,000, you switch to abundance brain. Not billionaire abundance, just basic breathing room. Let me give you a real example. Your boss treats you like garbage. You know you should leave. But with zero savings, you're trapped. You can't afford even one missed paycheck. Your boss knows this. They can treat you however they want. With $20,000 in savings, you can walk. Today. Right now. You've got months to find something better. Your boss's power over you just evaporated. Same job, same terrible boss, completely different dynamic. This applies to everything. Car buying, apartment hunting, salary negotiations, business opportunities. When you're broke, everyone has leverage over you. When you have $20,000, you have leverage over them. So how do you actually get there? Let me break it down. Step 1. Find the gap between your income and expenses. Even $100 a month, that's your starting point. No gap. Cut one thing or make more money. There's no magic trick. Step 2. Automate it. The day you get paid, money moves to savings automatically. Before you see it. Before you spend it. Step 3. Treat it like a bill. Your savings aren't optional. It's not what's left over. It's as mandatory as rent. Step 4. Windfalls go to the goal. Tax refund. Birthday money? Bonus? That goes to $20,000. Not a vacation. Not a new thing. To the goal. Let's say you save $400 a month. That's $4,800 a year. You'll hit $20,000 in just over 4 years. Sounds slow, I know. But those 4 years are passing anyway. You can arrive at 4 years from now with $20,000 in the bank. Or you can arrive exactly where you are right now. Your choice. $20,000 isn't the finish line. It's not retirement money. It's not generational wealth. But it is the first real milestone where the game changes. If this opened your eyes to why that first 20 grand matters, smash that subscribe button. I drop video every day on the money stuff that actually changes your life. Drop a comment right now. Where are you on the journey to $20,000? What's your current number? Let's track this together. All right, go stack that cash. I'll see you tomorrow.